Simplifying handoffs between departments can be a game changer for your team's efficiency. If you want a smoother workflow with fewer mistakes and a more seamless experience, stick around for these easy-to-follow steps. First things first, start with clear communication. Miscommunication is one of the biggest culprits behind failed handoffs. Ensure everyone knows exactly what's expected of them in the handoff process. This includes clarifying who's responsible for what and making sure the handoff documentation is complete. A simple template can save you time and frustration here. Next, use a centralized system to manage information. This could be a project management tool or even a shared document. The goal is to make sure that whoever is receiving the work has easy access to everything they need to complete it. When information is scattered across different systems or inboxes, things get lost. By centralizing it, you eliminate a lot of confusion and make the handoff smoother. Now, let's talk about setting up timelines and deadlines. It's easy for tasks to fall through the cracks during handoffs, especially when no one knows when the task should be completed. Assign deadlines for each step of the process and ensure everyone knows when it's time to hand over the work. A simple timeline or checklist can keep everyone on track and reduce delays. Another key factor is regular check-ins. It doesn't have to be a lengthy meeting, but having short, regular updates between departments ensures that progress is being made and any issues are addressed early. This can prevent any surprises at the end of the handoff. To make this even easier, I recommend using software that helps track handoffs and deadlines. You've probably tried the most popular tools already, but I've found one that really works. This software will help streamline the process and ensure nothing gets lost in the shuffle. I've even secured an exclusive free trial for you, only available to viewers of this channel. Check the description below if you want to follow along and simplify handoffs the right way. Now, let's talk about accountability. It's critical that each department knows their role in the process and that there's someone responsible for every handoff. Without accountability, it's easy for work to get delayed or overlooked. You can assign a specific person to be in charge of the handoff and make sure there's follow-up in case anything isn't moving forward as planned. Finally, don't forget to get feedback from both sides of the handoff. After the task has been completed, it's important to ask for feedback on how the handoff went and if there's anything that could be improved next time. Continuous improvement is key to making sure the handoff process keeps getting better. So, let's recap. Simplify handoffs between departments by improving communication, using a centralized system, setting deadlines, checking in regularly, ensuring accountability, and gathering feedback. By doing this, you'll see fewer mistakes, less back and forth, and a much smoother workflow. Remember, I highly recommend using the software mentioned in this video. Take advantage of the exclusive free trial in the description below. It's a great way to follow along and start improving your department handoffs right away. Key takeaway: simplifying handoffs requires clear communication, proper tools, and accountability. Make sure everyone knows their role and use the right software to keep everything organized. If you want to start simplifying your department handoffs today, grab that free trial in the description and start working smarter, not harder.